Oh, let's not paint that pot though.
Why? Want me to wash it off? Dad, do you want to wash the pot off? Dad, let's wash the pot off. Dad,
You want to wash the pot off?
uh-huh. Dad, we can wash it off with not just the water. This is how to wash it off. If you need some more water, we'll get some more.
Over and over and over. It just keeps filling that bowl up.
What hole?
Bowl.
He does not want to wash water. Because he does not want to waste water. If he's going to waste water,
It's going too much. You can't hardly go up to it. Hey Ryan, can you turn Westbrook's water down?
sorry.
Oh, sorry? You're busy?
I'm busy lighting the thing off the pot. And then when you need more water, I'll get you more water.
Thanks, Rye.
I'm worried I might have broke that tool.
Daddy, want you like that?
Yeah, that's perfect.
I got the cover.
That is something.
Don't that mean you need more water?